Hills People's Cultural Forum gears up for the felicitation ceremony to all the Dervish on 21st August. BOD member selection for Paklongkang Mlems would be conducted today. Leakage on the roof had consequently resulted in dripping water droplets under Upper Daegrum LP School. Hello viewers and welcome to Karbianglong Live. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news in details. On 18th of August at around 11 a.m., a joint meeting was organized at Taralangso IB and discussed about the felicitation ceremony. The meeting was called by Hills People Cultural Forum, and as many as 24 different communities residing in Karbianglong attended the meeting. It was unanimously decided to host the felicitation ceremony on 21st of August at Sarsing Teron, Langkung Habe Town Hall, Deephu, to felicitate all the ceasefire militant outfit for joining the mainstream. As per the report, Hills People Cultural Forum is preparing to felicitate the public representatives, MP, MLA, CEM, EM, MSc, Padma Shri Rongbong Terang, Padma Shri Dhaneshwar Ingti, all the Karbi, Kuki, Dimasa militant outfit who ceased fire recently and joined the mainstream. To work together and to show unity in diversity, HPCF was founded in the year 2013. As many as 24 different communities residing in Karbianglong took the membership in HPCF. It is notable that in the year 2016, HPCF organized the Cultural Exchange Program to know better about the cultural of diverse community in the region. The people, irrespective of their community background, must stand together under one platform and support each other in problem or difficulties we encounter, says Laichan Inglay, advisor of Karbi Student Association.
Laso agenda ke wangpo Karbianglong akisung ko pipima. Laso akisung ko pipima pulote lake ilitum chethan chimum pensi ilitum labangke iprang goso si klemponima bangke lake chingbai pongkompo.
Hills People Cultural Forum appreciates and congratulates all the militant outfits for coming out to take part in the process of peace and development. Hills People Cultural Forum also appreciates the state government and central government for conferring doctorate degree to the CEM, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang. On 21st August, Hills People Cultural Forum will felicitate him for his outstanding contribution for bringing peace and harmony and also his giving towards education, said Laichan Ingling, KSA advisor.
Ilitum dak government ahin akijapon Dr. Tuliram Ronghang alangli title ka chelong. Lake alangli peace lapen education na puthakpen. Lasi insam jin pen alangli award kelong aputhaksi nilitum 21 tarik August la 2022 bangke dak Sarsing Teron Langkung Habi auditorium holarlo la so holarlo bangke nilitum alangli tumpan peace kiwang tumpan an karcho ponji.
He also invited the public, all associations, organizations, and journalists to grace the event. Newsdecks report, Karbianglong Live. Paklongkam Lambs located between Mahamaya and Korkanti constituency election for induction of Board of Director BOD members would be conducting today. EM Lunsing Teron ensure a reward of Rs 50,000 if BJP secure a clean sweep in this election. The election would be done for 15 seats in total. An awareness cum leadership workshop was organized for all the candidates representing BJP that would be contesting for the Board of Director BOD seat for Paklongkam Large Area Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society. Raju Tiso, Chairman Karbianglong Autonomous Council, Lunsing Teron, EM, Dhonsing Teron, President BJP East Karbianglong, Rajesh Teron, Chairman Mahamaya VDC and workers of Mandal Committee attended the event. BJP aims to win all the contesting seats, just like the way they had achieved at the recently concluded Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council general election under the able leadership of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and Thon Singh Teron, President, BJP East Karbi Anglong.
Maya la pen korkanti homosti ini pen ladak sialem do belogar lem la siladak penablo polling det si pini candidate la pente la shareholder bang haro thang musara suri do la chalang litum ben pini jingki je than lo noni litum bang krep phota bang krep pho a candidate phanda ka pahai ji phasil tum upwa mondol committee a president la pen litum la chairman sa Karbi Autonomous Council chairman Raju Tisosara ke hai la pente nili salayong especially ke mohamai homosti sidaga purila sidaga lang litum ben je than jimum.
And in this election, if all the 15 candidates from BJP assures their victory, then a reward of Rs 50,000 would be rewarded, says Lun Singh Teron, EM, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, in presence of all candidates and shareholders of Paklongkam Lems. Semsing Ingti's report from Dokmoka, Karbi Anglong Live. Upper Daigrum LP School, 17 kilometers away from Dipu, functioning in a very pathetic and poor condition. Headmaster of the school appeals the concerned authority to intervene and renovate the school building at the earliest. Karbi Anglong has 11 developmental blocks, and Nilip Developmental Block is one among the 11 blocks under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. The citizens of Nilip Block residing in rural areas do not possess the capacity of sending their children to the private educational institution. Therefore, they are compelled to enroll their children's name in the local government LP school to attain their primary education. Upper Daigrum LP School was established in the year 1948, and since then, the school had been continuously functioning till date. But due to lack of upgradation and maintenance of the school building, the roof of the school are filled with leakage and water starts to drip from the ceiling whenever rainfall occurs. The school doesn't have a kitchen for preparing midday meals, no school boundary, no telecommunication network facility available at the region. The school offers classes from 1 to 5, and as many as 18 students are currently studying in the school.
School
Rajan Rongpar, headmaster, informed that the teachers are assigned not the duty of teaching the students but also assigned with the duty of BLO since the last 8 years, creating a problem in performing dual duties due to lack of teaching staff at the school.
Single teacher hisab lo headmaster dan nililo lo pen BLO kam dan nililo lasto pen prangge ebel utani ken nang lang kasi da kecerap ason master nakto idun thegi ma pasi chunigi.
Headmaster of the school appeals the concerned authority through social media platform to kindly intervene into this matter and appoint additional teachers for smooth functioning of the school. Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.